10 prototype uses you may not have thought of. Prototyping is a necessary step in the new product development process. This is where art, science, and technology all come together to bring your concept into reality. A prototype is a physical representation of your concept. It takes your idea from the digital world to the real one. You've probably heard that prototypes are useful in determining the feasibility of a concept and improving product design, but is that all you can get from a prototype? Here are 10 ideas that you may not have considered. First, use your prototype as a demo model, or what some people call an eye candy, to demonstrate your product to the potential investors and raise capital needed for further R&D or manufacturing of your product. Second, take your product to a meeting with the potential licensees. That will help them to understand how the product functions, and it will reinforce your pitch. By showing the prototype to your major distributors and buyers, you might be able to secure some purchase orders, distribution agreements, or pre-orders. Use your prototype to create a crowdfunding campaign. Some platforms like Kickstarter actually require creators to have a prototype before they can launch a new product campaign. Use your prototype as an exclusive perk for your most loyal customers and partners. Allow them to hold the future version of the product in their hand before anyone else does. You'll get yourself some brand evangelists and early adopters. Using photos or videos of your prototype to probe the market's interest for your product is a very effective marketing learning tool. Just use it, put it to work, let your prototype do the job that you designed your product for. Put it on your desk as a conversation starter or something to brag about. Show it to the manufacturers to get their ideas on how to modify the design to minimize your production and assembly costs. Keep it as a memento or a souvenir. It would be so fun to look at the very first version of your product when it becomes a success. Hey, you might even be able to auction it and use the money to help fellow entrepreneurs and inventors, or to just donate it to a good cause.